Hi there, it's Jason Nast, and I am completely excited to be talking with you tonight because it's the holiday season, and I am absolutely thrilled. It's like the coolest holiday season for me. Just not too long ago, October 15th, 2018. So not too long ago, you know that success is rapid with this one. I stumbled upon the 30-day one funnel away challenge, and it totally transformed my life. Like in 1 month and 30 days, with a small investment of $100 and a little bit of time every single day, a couple hours, 2 hours a day or so, I was able to completely transform my life and take that $100 and 10x it. And you can do the same thing. But the key is you got to be part of the One Funnel Away 30-day challenge. Now, this is such a cool thing because I've bought CDs, DVDs, online training, YouTube training, all kinds of stuff before, but it never worked because I didn't have a mentor that was kind of hand holding me, walking me through what I needed to do. So with this challenge, it's amazing because they take these big ideas and they break them down to small bite-sized chunks, tasks. Every single day you get new training, new videos, you get new information, new guides, you get new education and motivation. And if that's still not enough, there's this amazing community behind you. You just put out, hey, I'm having some struggles with this, and boom, they jump on board and help you elevate you to the next level. So it's such a great community, amazing instruction from the founders themselves, and you can totally transform and rock 2019. Now I'm going to ask you for one more thing, 2 minutes more of your time. Click the link below, go check out my mentor telling you exactly how it's going to go. If this doesn't totally jive with you, if you don't believe 100% that this is going to totally transform your 2019, hey, move on. No harm, no foul. But I think that you're going to want to jump on that waiting list, get in the 30-day challenge, and make 2019 completely rock. And I'm looking forward to seeing you at the next challenge.